Hey guys, Stephanie here, and today we're going to be taking a look at these caliper covers from MGP for Challengers with dual piston front calipers. That means that these will fit the 2011 and newer RT, the 2017 and newer GT and TA, and the 2012 and newer SXT models with dual piston front calipers. Now, I usually always say that caliper covers are a styling piece, and like any styling piece, some people are going to love them and other people aren't going to be into them. The covers are for looks only, and they're going to be for those of you out there that are looking for a fast and relatively inexpensive way to change up the exterior looks of the car or give the calipers a better overall look, especially if you have a set of aftermarket wheels. These are MGP red covers, and this is a front and rear pair, so you're going to be getting a full matching set. These can help you subtly change up the exterior looks or help give you that big brake look that you guys could be looking for. These could also save you from trying to paint your calipers if you wanted a different look. Installing a set of these is much easier than painting or powder coating your calipers, and being red in color does mean that these are going to stand out more rather than be a more toned down look like a black set would be. These cost about $250, and the install for these is easy. It's a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, which take about an hour to complete. All 4 of these covers have the Challenger Stripes logo engraved on them, so they're going to match all the way around. These are the official Dodge license logos too, so you don't have to worry about having knockoff branding that just doesn't look quite right. Of course, these exact covers aren't your only option that's out there. If you're not a fan of the red color, or if you'd prefer a different logo instead, just know that you have options when it comes to both color and logos. You can choose between red or black in color, and besides this logo, you can choose from a number of other different logos, all of which are official and licensed. Just head over to the product page to check out all of your other options. These are going to just clip on over your stock calipers, so they're easy to put on and easy enough to take off too if you ever wanted to go back to the stock look. They're going to come with the needed install clips, and you'll need 18-inch or larger wheels in order to fit these on the car. So if you plan on downsizing wheels more than that, just keep your covers in mind. The covers are made from aluminum, so they're lightweight but also strong. They are formed and shaped to mimic the shape of the caliper and fit right over it. They're powder-coated red, not painted, so the finish is durable and it's going to hold up over time. So not only can these help with creating a big brake appearance, but they can also help accent a set of wheels too. Not to mention, having the cover over the calipers can stop some brake dust and help keep your wheels cleaner. As far as the install goes, it's very easy and straightforward. You won't need many tools to get the job done, just some basic stuff. I'll call the install a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. As always, if you're interested in these covers, you can always check them out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.